Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rosnani Affandi and I'm from Politeknik Melaka. The title of my presentation is Metal and Non-Metal Waste Sorting System Design and Development by using an Arduino Uno. According to the Collins Dictionary, waste is described as stuff that has been used and no longer desired, such as used paper, empty tins, bottles, plastic, as well as food waste. And according to the Solid Rubbish Management Department, in 2019, Malaysia has produced a total of around 25,000 tons of waste per day. Wulandari and Kurniati Yulia mentioned that increasing number of people will indirectly increase the amount of waste produced. A closer look. In this graph, Malaysian population rise every year at 1.3% from 31,633 in 2016 to 32,698 in 2020. It is estimated that trash production will rise by about 2% annually and roughly 15.6 million tons of garbage will be produced. In 2021, an enormous amount of solid waste produced is 38,427 metric tons per day, and by the end of 2022, it is estimated that 14 million metric tons of manufactured solid waste, or MSW, will be collected annually. A huge amount of waste in Malaysia is still being dumped in landfills, and according to the national report, more than 90% of household waste produced each year were dumped in landfills. Malaysian solid waste produce has surpassed the study suggested rate. Waste need to be prevented from dumped into the landfills because they can cause a biological and physiochemical problems to the environment. The Solid Waste Preparation Campaign has been launched by the Malaysian government in September 2015. However, until today, the awareness of the waste separation is still at low rate, and the major cause is due to the lack of solid waste separation practiced by the Malaysians. There are few of projects that has been developed by and invented around the world. And the first automatic sorter machine has been developed by Russell in 2013 with aim to sort out the waste in various categories to make waste management easier and efficient. And Melaka 2008 and Benson in 2013 also invent an automatic waste disposal. However, the system has a disadvantage in which if the waste is inside the bin is full, the waste can spill out from the bin, and this can cause another problems. With the problem arising, a few more projects has been developed by Kumar and Kau with the implementation of the IoT system to the bin. Therefore, the aim are to present the design and the development process of the waste sorting system circuit, which can separate metal and non-metal material by using Arduino Uno. And the main component for this system, or the main controller development board, is using Arduino Uno. The input components are inductive proximity sensor, IR sensor, ultrasonic sensor. For the output component, servo motor, and node MCU. For the methodology, four main phases in this design and the development of waste sorting system circuit for separate metal and non-metal material by using Arduino Uno. For the first phase, circuit design. In this phase, the main controller board used in this project is Arduino Uno. Then, a circuit for metal and non-metal sorting system are designed by using the selected components. Phase 2, the developed Arduino Uno coding and simulation. Three input components were used in this project. The inputs are IR sensor to sense the plastic waste, inductive proximity sensor to sense metal waste, and ultrasonic sensor to monitor waste capacity. Meanwhile, there are two outputs, which are servo motor and node MCU. The flowchart is used as a guideline in developing the Arduino Uno coding. The circuit and the coding are tested to assure that the circuit and coding can function properly. So this is the flowchart for the waste sorting system. This is the coding for the input and output components by using Arduino. For phase 3, assemble circuit testing and prototype development. In this phase, the circuit and components are assembled. After the circuit, component, and coding function well, then the prototype are developed. So this is the circuit simulation and result analysis. The figure shows the simulation result for the movement of servo motor when detected non-metal material, and the simulation results show the movement of servo motor when detect metal material. This is the overall result. And as a conclusion, the circuit components and coding are completely successful. By design and develop this circuit system, hopefully it will allow the improvement of continuous waste sorting behavior in any waste collection system, includes sorting waste at source. Other advantage of this project is it will send a notification to tell user that trash bin is full, so the cleaning work can be done faster. Therefore, hopefully this project can help in reducing the pollution caused by waste, benefit environment and human health. That's all my presentation, and thank you.